Hey, hello! Another crazy exercise. Let's do it, come on. Yeah, hit enter. Another crazy exercise of the exercise that we do it using, why aren't you speaking?
Because
Using someone else's phone to record your first video. That's the audience of our LinkedIn Advanced LinkedIn seminar. What we are doing here is to ask them to record their first video using someone else's phone. See, they were so quiet that they are not able to speak. And everyone is gonna make their own videos after that. And I told them that that's the best type of content that there is. There's no other content that can create a better rapport and of course attracts the best opportunities for them. All right, guys, say hello to the camera. That's it. All right.